Hi, I'm Devin Steele with eTextile Communications. I'm here today with Michael Lavroff with Jason Mills. Michael, how long have you been exhibiting at the IFAI Expo?
We've been exhibiting for 8 years, 8 years at IFAI.
So it's a pretty important show for you then, for a company that's been in business as far as your ownership about 9 years?
Yes, correct. It's been a great show for us, very important. We use as a basis for success where we were. As you mentioned, I've owned the business for 9 years. The first year we walked the show to kind of get a feel for it. Since then, we've been exhibiting every year, and we've seen, while it's tough to quantify directly what sales you get, we've seen specific increases every year in business, and we can point to IFAI, to these shows for the success that we've had.
Well, that's terrific. The show floor just opened about 5 minutes ago. What are your expectations for the show in Charlotte as compared to previous couple of years?
Every year we go in with the glass half full. Even shows that are slow, and we don't anticipate that this will be one, but even shows where you see 35 to 50 new faces, it's 35 to 50 faces that you haven't seen before. I'm expecting this year to get, because of the proximity and the Atlantic coast and North Carolina, I wouldn't be surprised if we have 65 to 85 new possibilities for accounts by the time we're done.
That would be a great follow-up for me as well. So
that would be great for all. Right?
Yep. So at this show in particular, what are your highlight products?
We have 2 new products that we brought to the market this year. One is for healthcare in the patient sling area. Really, really interesting fabric. I don't think there's a product like this out on the market right now. It's a patient lift. It's with a top layer that's antimicrobial. So you have a lift that can hold 1,500 plus pounds and a top layer of soft material for long-term use that has antimicrobial inherent properties in it. Yarn supplied by IFAI, part of their list of interesting products. But that's one for healthcare, and for outdoor retail and also personal protection. We have a no-seam net, not a standard no-seam net. No-seams for our imports are a dime a dozen. This one is a high-end, snag-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent. You have a screen. When water hits it, it beads and rolls off. Really cool product. So we're really psyched about that, especially in the age of Zika and other mosquito-borne illnesses. So those are 2 that just come to mind that we're going to be pushing today.
So you do serve various markets. Can you run through some of the main markets?
Sure. Aeronautical, automotive, healthcare, outdoor retail, military, law enforcement, the pool and spa area. You wouldn't think about the pool skimmers. We have customers that buy mesh material. I don't know if you can see it, but on the board, the blue fabric, thousands of yards at a time. Orders that come in 3, 5, 10,000 yards at a clip of that material. And that material also is 100% made in the United States, from the yarn through the knitting, the dyeing, and the finishing.
Which is a very important aspect of your business, I'm sure.
Yes, all of our products are knit, dyed, and finished in the United States. We do have some that are 100% US. We can't purport to be 100% all the time because yarn can come from here, there, and everywhere. But we do have a very compliant line. Very compliant is available when required, and we can just access the yarn domestically. But knitting, dyeing, and finishing, bedrock, keep us close to the supply chain and the customers here in the U.S.
Very good. Well, I hope you have a great show, Michael, and I appreciate your time today.
I appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thanks for tuning in, everyone.